G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombes. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go back to crop emergence. So when we first put the crop in, you can generically set these fields as per what you would like. Okay, so all these data points are set, fine-tuned. Yeah, it gives us a good indication of the crop life. So as you can see, when we first installed it back on the 2nd of the 7th, so there's July, nice and cool up here in Tolga. So we haven't had a lot of ground moisture. We've had good ground moisture, and it's just slowly drawn out. The crop hasn't used it, being young, still maturing, so then it starts to grow, starts using the moisture we've watered, started using the moisture we've watered, and as you can see, as the crop's matured, as we scroll along, you can see that it's really drawing on that some sort of moisture. We've got it set at 20 mil for the alarm as such, 27, we're nearly dry. And our depth is about, what's that, about 110 and 125 for moisture. So being an oat crop, that 0 to probably 50 mil is our target root zone, which is what we're trying to keep a track of, our moisture. So that's what basically we've done there. We've kept track of it. The customers actually use this to irrigate one paddock opposed to the other paddock, which we'll put it all up together online when we post it, and you'll see the difference in the crop. One is nice and limey green, the other is a real dark green, where he's actually used this to govern his watering. So basically he's using it instead of overwatering or underwatering. He's kept a track of exactly when the plant needs its watering, and that's what he's done here. He's actually used that to his advantage and watered. So once it's hit that pre-fill point, bang, he's watered, up we go, and down it comes again with the crop being monitored. Crop being monitored, excuse me, the moisture in the ground level. Okay. G'day, Luke at Honeycombes. Probably week 3 of our moisture probe demonstration, I suppose you'd say. Lovely crop of oats coming up, a couple of locals, bit of a standoff with myself, I'm trying to take his girl, which I'm not. But yeah, Field Connect still going good.